peaceful, sleepy Bikini Bottom. The creatures of the sea are deep in slumber, their night brains exploring the mysterious world of dreams.
Yeah, that's me.
Racing machine. Time to put the pedal to the metal, the rubber to the road, and the sponge to the stone rate.
Okay then, let's go. You guys are way too young to look at this.
Yes, really cool. Let's do work, Dale, but thanks for playing.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, you guys haven't realized this is not Super Smash Bros. Brawl. Shut up, SpongeBob. Let me talk. Thank you. This is a SpongeBob SquarePants. Creature of the Krusty Krab, whatever it is. Whatever. We might make a lot of these videos because this game is too long. I don't know if we can finish the game. I don't know. I'll just let it be mysterious. We might. My older brother Carlos Estevez made a video about this, but he decided not to make no more videos. Still see you, okay? Wake up from the 1980s. Oh my! Who puts boxes in this road? Really? There's a. Okay, there's a lot of cutscenes here. Oh my! Oh come on, really? Dude, be quiet. You're making me out of range. Jesus Christ. What the? What the heck? What the cheese? Really? Come on. Hello, people. I'm driving here. Wake up, SpongeBob. Of course, looks different. How'd you catch your it's just a stream. Blah 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 blah. Save it, save it, save it.
Well, Dale, looks like the new competitor's lost his license already. Hello, is this thing on? Hello? Thanks for the feedback, Dale.
Oh, they stood up. Really? And you're happy about it?
Nonsense! No, it's too far away for me to reach. Curse you, underwater currents! You win again!
To get your driving license back, you have to unlock the speed demon inside of you, SpongeBob.
Oh.
Stay shiny, little fella! I'm coming to get ya!
Now that you're on foot, come over here and I can tell you a few more things.
No, thank you. I'm leaving. Bye. Yeah, I get it.
What's this?
Oh my god.
Whoa! I bet these are valuable! I'm gonna collect as many as I can!
We're not gonna collect all of them. Just because I'm too lazy to do it. Oh my, okay.
You'll need to jump over that gap to get to me.
Oh, really? We have never known that before.
Turn it as fast as you can, boy! Work those crazy arms!
Man, I can't do this right. Get my license. My god. Oh, if you see that means we're getting close to us. See the thing in the corner, that means we're getting...
I can't take the excitement!
Shut up, man. I don't want to talk to you.
Well done. Now, a test of strength. Turn that handle and open the shop front.
Oh, come on. No, I don't want to go back. Go back. Come on. You know how to do that. I hit the one. Finally. Oh, more cutscenes. More coins to collect. Where am I? Oh.
Keep going, SpongeBob.
Yeah, I think where's okay. Come on. What the? Oh my god. No.
Next lesson, you need to jump higher and farther. Try it now.
No, that was just pop. If only we didn't know that before. Okay, come on, no, don't go back. No, you don't.
Great work, SpongeBob.
Move. What? You gotta be kidding me. No. Wait, let me switch my arms. Okay, let's go. No.
You really got the hang of this.
Like we didn't got the hang of it.
That's good.
Get my license. Come on. Oh, I'm so tired of this. We haven't do. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Stop dancing. Stop dancing.
You'll need to put those hands of yours to
Oh,
work
miss.
if you want to push that button.
What? What the? What? Come on. Come on, really? Jesus Christ, man. Oh, coins. Shiny. Oh. You gotta be criticizing me. Another button. Oh. I'm gonna hit the people who made this game. It's not a bad game, it's a good game, but it's so annoying. Gel, no, I'm not getting that. Not worth it. Oh, God. Spoiler alert, he's hurt. up already. Oh my. Oh my. How is this? Uppity, up. No. Up. Yeah. Better stay up there. My arm hurts. Let's go now. Wait, my license. What? What? Oh my Jesus Christ. Okay.
You made it, SpongeBob. Well done.
Yay.
Here you go. I think you'll find this little dash attack power-up will come in very handy for getting your license back. Use the dash attack to push that spark block into its slot.
And find what it is you seek. Let's. Oh my. She doesn't want to look at your moves, okay? God. Wait, when you see that, then you have to flip the
Use your
nunchuck.
dash to push it, SpongeBob.
Okay! You told me that already. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
My goodness, you're becoming one of my best pupils.
Pupil, whatever. I'll punch you in the pupil. Yes. Shiny. Yeah!
My lovely license. At last I found you. Never me again, okay?
Hey, SpongeBob! I see you got what it takes to be the great Piston Patrick.
Okay, looks like we're going up to Timelet. In the next episode, we will hopefully we'll race Patrick. Well, look what.
So our youngest competitor's ready for his first real challenge, Dale.
Should be interesting, Rick.
Interesting. Like grappling with an angry octopus, Dale. Starfish versus
This is all the time we have, folks. See you guys.
A true battle,
Ew.
Rick. It's the truest of true. Best friends battling to see who's the best.
Next episode. We got it.